Page number 17, Chapter 2, 4 operation, worksheet 1, multiply by 10, hundreds and thousand. Here we have the multiplication of 10. The simple thing, when we multiply a number with 10, 100 or 1000, the number with 10, 100 or 1000, we only add the 0 to the given number. Like we have 32 multiplied by 10, so we are going to write 320. We just add a 0. Again we have 205. When we multiply 205 with 10, we write 2050. We just add a 0 with the number. Here we have again 1400, and when we add a 0, it is 14,000. Now we have 11 multiplied by 70. If we have a number like 70, 80, 60, 20, first we have to break the number like we have break 70 into 7 and 10. 11 sevens are 77, and 77 multiplied by 10 is 770. Same as it is, we have 85 multiplied by 20. So we break the 20 into 2 and 10. 85 2s are 170. 170 multiplied by 2 is 1700. Same we have the questions here. Here we have 30, 3 and 10. 632 multiplied by 3, and then we multiply the 10. We just add a 0. Same we have here. So we are going to use the same method. We break the number into two different numbers, 4 and 10, 40. So here we have 32 multiplied by 10, 320, only adding a 0 to the number. 918 multiplied by 10, 9180, only adding a 0. So here we have all the numbers like this, and where we have the numbers with the digit like 30, 40, 50. So first we are going to break the number. Here we have 50. We break the 50 in 5 and 10, and then we are going to write the answer. 30 into 3 and 10, and then we write the answer. Here we have to write 10 or the number. If we see that 62 multiplied by, here we have only adding a 0, it means it is multiplied with 10. 850 multiplied by 10, 742, only adding a 0, it means it is multiplied with 10. Worksheet number 2, multiply by 10 we have done. Now we are doing multiply by 100. So same as it is, in 10 we are adding 1 0, and in 100 we are adding 2 0 to the number. 14, and we add 2 0. 246, 2 0. 780, 2 0. 1001, 2 0. 699, 2 0. So according to 10,000 and 100, we are adding 0. In 100, same we are going to break the number with the ones and 100. Like we are breaking the number in tens. We have 400. So we break the 400 into 4 and 100. 500, 5 and 100. 98 multiplied by 5, 490. 490 multiplied by 100, it means we just have to add 0 in 490. Same as it is, we have 300. So we break 3 and 100. 600, 6 and 100. Now we have to multiply 7041 with 6. 42,246. Then we add 20 to the answer. Here we have fill in the blanks with the correct letter. A, B, C, D, E, F. So here are the numbers. Let's see what we have to do. 202. So we have the number here. If we multiply F, F means 2020 with 100, we get the answer this, only adding 2 zeros. 100 multiplied by which number we multiply with 100, so we can get 2200. So if we multiply 22 with 100, we get the answer 2200. Here we have B, 202 202 and only adding 20. Here we have C, 2200 with 100, so we adding the 0 into it. And number last is A, 2002, only adding 20. Now we have worksheet 1C. We have done 10, 100. Now we are doing 1000. In 1000 we are adding 30 to the number 20. When we add 30 to 20, it becomes 20,000. 54,000. 313,000. Again here we are just adding the 0 to the number 69, adding 30, 565, 30, 7613, 30. Here we have to break the number into thousand and ones. If we have the number 3000, we break into 3 and 1000. 22 multiplied by 3, then we add a 0. 2801 multiplied by 2, because we have 2000, so we break it into 2 and 1000. 7000 into 7 and 1000. Worksheet 2A, dividing by 10, 100 and 1000. Here we are going to divide the number with 10, 100 and 1000. To divide with 10 or 100 or 1000, in multiplication we add the 0 and in division we subtract the 0. Like in 10 we have 1 0, so from the number we are going to subtract 1 0. From the number we subtract 2 0, and from the number we subtract 3 0. Like we have 30 divided by 10, so here we have 3. 310 divided by 10, 31. Now we have 20. First we have to break the number 340 divided by 10 divided by 2. So when we divide 340 with 10, we cut the 0 and we write 34 divided by 2. And then we divide the number. 30 means 10 and 3. When we separate the number in division, we first write the 10, 100 or 1000. So we can easily divide. 8700. So we cut the 0. We have 870 divided by 3. Then we have to solve the simple division. 15480 divided by 60. 60 means 10 divided by 6. So we cut 1 0 and then we divide the remaining. Like we have 1560. 1548 divided by 6. 6 2s are 12. 3 4. 6 5s are 30. 4 and 8. 6 8s are 48. 258. Now we have 760 divided by 10. So we cut the 0 and the answer is 76. Here again we cut the 0. 85. Again. Now here we have 30. So 10 divided by 3. We cut the 0 and then divide the remaining numbers. After 10, now we are doing division with 100. So in 100 we cut 2 zeros. 65, 20, 1100, 20, 280, 20. So we simply cut 20 in the given number. Now we have 300. So if we have the division of 300, first we break the 300 into 100 and ones. So 300 will be break into 100 and 3. Then we are going to cut the 0, 2 and 2. So the remaining number is 27 and 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 900 means 100 divided by 9. Then we divide 5400 with 100. So we cut the 0 and then we divide it with 9. 54 divided by 9 is 6. Again we have the same method. Here we have study the pattern in each diagram and fill in the blanks. First we have to solve this, then we are going to write. The number represented by A is, here I have make the pattern. 6000 divided by 400 is, we break the number into 100 and 4. Then we cut the 0. 60 divided by 4 is 15. Same as it is, we break the number and write the answers. So here we have number A is 15. The number represented by B is, number B is, here we have A and 15 multiplied by 100. Here we have B and 100. 15 multiplied by 100 is 1500. Same as it is, we have solved this pattern. 131 and 100. So we have, first we are going to divide this number with 200. Then we divide this with 300. And then we divide this with 131, because we have 131 on both the side. 131, so it means this is also 131. Same as it is, here we have 15, so it means here we have also the 15. Now here we have the division of 1000. It means we cut 30. Then we write the remaining number. We simply cut 30. And we have the number 5000. So first we break the number into 1000 and 5. Then we cut the 0 and then divide the number. Same as it is, 8000, 1008, 6000, 1006. Now we have 30,000 divided by 3000. So we have 10, because we just cut the 0, 2, 3 and 3, and 3 30, 3 tens are 30. Now here we have 30, so it means that we divide 30,000 with 1000. We cut 30, so the remaining number is 30. Here we cut this number with 1000, and here when we write the, here we have 708 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6, 1, 0, 6 ones are 6, 4, 8, 6 8s are 48. We have already discussed that what is order of operations in book 5. So here we are just solving the questions. Number 1 is 23 plus 4 plus 5. 23 plus 4 is 27, minus 5 22. 52 plus 67. Then we subtract the number. Here we have, we simply have to solve the steps and then write the answers. Here we have first step, then we solve the second step. If we have the 4 digit, then again we are going to solve with the same step. 30 plus 4 34. Then we write the remaining number. Then we are going to solve this and then the remaining number. So we have already discussed the rules of order of operation in the book 5. So here we are just showing you the solutions according to the rule. So first we divide the number, then multiply. Here we multiply the number, then divide. Multiply the number, then divide. Then divide and multiply. Here again we have the same questions according to the order of operation. Page number 32. Here we have, if we have the bracket in the question, so first we are going to solve the bracket according to the order of operation. So first we solve the bracket and then we are going to solve the remaining numbers. Here you can see that we solve the bracket first, then we have to solve the remaining. Page number 33. What problem? In a village there was 35 households altogether. 4 of the households have no children, 10 of the households have 1 child, 12 of the household has 2 children each. 6 of the household have 3 children and the remaining household have 4 children. Find the total number of children in the village. So first we have, there are 35 household, no children in 4 household. So 4 multiplied by 0 is 0 because no children. Then we have the second statement. 10 of the household have 1 child. So 10 multiplied by 1 is 10. Then we have 12 of the household have 2 childs. 12 2s are 24. Then we have 6 of the household have 3 child. 6 3s are 18. Then the remaining households have 4 child. So first we have to find the remaining. From 35 we have to subtract all these. So first we add 4. These are the household. 4, 10, 12 and 6. 4, 10, 12 and 6. So it means that the remaining number of house is 3 and 3 houses have 3 children. So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. The remaining houses have 4 children. So 3 is the remaining house and 4 children in each house. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Now we have the total number of children: 0, 10, 24, 18 and 12. The total number is 64. Number 2. Mrs. Lim bought 20 bags of sweet. There were 14 sweets in each bag. Nora gave Mrs. Lim 28 more bags. How many sweets does Mr. Lim in the end? So here we have Mrs. Lim bought 20 bags. There are 14 sweets in each bag. So 20 multiplied by 14 is 280. Then number of sweets in bag, 20 bags means we have 280 sweets in 20 bags. Nora gave 28 more bags. 28 more sweets. So 280 plus 28 is 308. So Mrs. Lim had 308 sweets in the end. Now here we have question number 3. A volunteer donated $2,580 to an elderly care center. The amount of was distributed equally to the elderly people at the center and each person received $60. How many elderly people were there at the center? The volunteer wants to donate more money so that each elderly person receive $100 in all. How much more does he need to donate? Number 1, donation. The first donation he gave 2,580. Each person receive $205.80 divided by 60. So we have the answer 40, because from this amount each adult get $60. So if each adult gets $60, how many adultery were there in the center? So we have divided 60 is 43. There were 43 people at the center. Now we have the volunteer wants to give each $100. So 100 multiplied by 43 is 4,300. 4,300 minus the donation he already gave. So the remaining amount is 1,720. It means that the volunteer needs to donate 1,720 more. Page number 35. Tom and Beena read 34 books in a month. Beena and Wemming read 58 books in a same month. Wemming read twice as many books as Tom. How many books did Beena read in that month? So here first we make the calculation that Beena and Tom 34 books, Beena and Wemming 58 books. So twice as Tom, Beena, Wemming. 1 unit is 58 minus 34, so we have the remaining 24. Beena and Tom read 34 books. Beena read 34 minus 24. 34 minus 24 is 1 unit is 24, so it means 10 books. Question number 5. Raju and Ann save a total of $1,560. After Raju gave Ann $50, Raju have 5 times as much money as Ann. How much money did Raju have first? So here we have Raju and Ann. 1,560 and here we have 50. So 6 unit is, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 complete unit. 6 unit is of 1,560. From this 6 unit we divide 1,560 with 6 to find the amount of 1 unit. 260 is the amount of 1 unit. So from this 260 we have to multiply this, because Raju had 5 times. So we multiply 260 with 5. So we can get the answer $1,300. Raju gave Ann $50. Raju had at first time $1,300 plus $50. So it means that he has $1,350. Question number 6 is, a box that contained 10 pen cost $15 and a packet that contained 5 marker cost $12. A school bookshop orders a total of 1500 pen and 810 marker. How much do they have to pay for their order? So we have $10, 10 pens cost $15, 1 pen cost from 1510 1.5, 5 marker cost $12, 1 marker cost 2.4. So 1500 pen and will cost 1.5 multiplied by 1500, the amount of 1 pen to the amount of 1500. So we have $2,250, the amount of pen, and the marker 810 multiplied by 2.40, the amount of 1 marker. 2.40 multiplied by 810, $1,944. Now we have how much do they have to pay for their order. So the total amount they have to pay is 2,250 plus 1,944. So when we add both the numbers, we have $4,194 altogether for the order. Question number 7 is, during a promotion at an aquarium, the number of adult tickets sold was 4 times the total number of student tickets and senior citizen tickets. The number of student tickets sold was 3 times that of their senior citizens ticket. 142 more student tickets than senior citizen tickets were sold. How many adult tickets were there? So here we have the number of adult tickets sold 4 times the total number of student tickets and senior citizen tickets. So we have adult 4 times. Now we have 4 times total of student and senior citizen. So we break this 4 into 2 and 2. Adult complete 4 times, and this 4 times is divided into students and senior citizen. Here we divide. So we have 142 more tickets than senior citizen tickets were sold. So it means that this is 142. Now we have to divide this 142 with 2 units. 2 units of senior citizen and student. One is for senior citizen and one is for students. So when we divide 142 with 2, we get the answer 71. Each unit is of 71. It means that these 4 units are of 71. So now we have to multiply these 4 student and senior citizens with 4. 71 multiplied by 4 is 284. So it means this complete is of 284. 42 is only for the student. So when we divide this 42 with 1 and 1 single unit, we get 71 and 71. It means that all the 4 units are of 71 and 71. So we multiply these 71 with 4 to get the total answer. So the total of these 4 is 284. Now we have 284 for the senior citizen and for the students. 284 for the senior students and for the students. Number of adult tickets. So we have the number of adult ticket 4, because these are 4 times the total of student and senior citizen. So 4 times means we have to multiply the total number of senior citizen and student with 4. 284 multiplied by 4 is 1136. Question number 8 is the total cost of 2 similar television and 5 washing machine is 7,215. Each washing machine cost $216 less than the television. How much do 3 television cost? So here we have consider each television cost C, because we don't have the cost of television, so we suppose the cost with C. Then we have each washing machine cost C minus 216, because we have 216 less than television. So television is C, because we don't have the cost, so we suppose it's C. It means C minus 216. Now we have 2T. It means 2 television, 5 washing machine. 2 television, 5 washing machine is equals to $7,215. Then we have 2 television. So the value of this television is C, and 5W, value of washing machine is C minus 216. So we put the values 2C plus 5W is C minus 216, and this will remain same. Now again we have the next step, 2C plus 5C plus minus minus, and 5 multiplied by 216 is 1080. And we have 7,215 same. Now we have to solve this side. 2C plus 5C is 7C. Now we taking this 1080 on the next side, so the symbol will change. From subtraction it will become addition. Now we have to add the numbers. When we add these numbers, we get the answer 8,295. Now here 7 is multiplication. When we change the place, it becomes of division. So we have 8,295 divided by 7 is 1,185. We have to find the cost of 3 television. So 3 multiplied by C. C is the cost of television. Now we have find C. So we multiply 3 with 1,185. So the answer is $3,555. Question number 9 is 3 badminton racket and 2 basketball bats cost $167. 1 badminton racket and 3 baseball cost $163. How much does 1 badminton racket cost? So here we have 1 badminton racket and 3 basketball, 163. 3 badminton racket and 9 baseball bats, 163 multiplied by 3. So we have 489. Now we have to find 7 baseballs. So we have 489 minus 167. 322. Then we have 1 basketball, 322 divided by 7, 1 baseball, 46. And what badminton racket is 163 minus 46 multiplied by 3. 163 minus, first we have to multiply 46 with 3, then we have to subtract it with 163. Question number 10 is, Junhao's sister is 5-year-old. She is 36 years younger than their mother. In how many years' time will their mother age be 4 times her age? So number 1, Junhao's sister is 5-year-old. Then her mother age, it means 36 plus 5 is 41. Let after x, her mother will be 4 times her age. So after x year, Junhao is 5 plus x. According to the given, mother age is 4 times Junhao age. So mother is 41 plus x, 41 plus x, and after this mother will be 4 times Junhao age, 4, and Junhao age is 5 plus x. Now we have to solve this equation. 41x, 4 5s are 20, 4x. Now we have to separate the numbers and variables. 41, 20 will be moved here, so 41 minus 20, and x will move here, 4x minus x. Now when we subtract 4x and x, we have 3x, 41 minus 20, 21. Here 3 is of division. When we change the place, it is of multiplication. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. X is equals to 7 years. So it means that in how many years' time will their mother age be 4 times her age? 7 years. Question number 11. 20 children share some card equally. So 20 children, when another child join them, they each get 2 fewer cards. How many cards are they sharing together? So if another child is adding and they get 2 fewer, it means before adding the child they have 2 more. So we are going to multiply this 20 with 4, 20 with 2. When we multiply 20 with 2, we get the answer 40. 20 multiplied by 2 is 40. Now after adding one child, 21 child share 40 cards equally. 40 cards equally shared into 21 child. So 40 multiplied by 21 is 840. How many cards are sharing altogether? 840. And here we have 40 multiplied by 2 is 80, because they have total 40 cards, but they said 2 fewer. It means that 80 minus 40 is 40 if they have the fewer cards. So the answer is, how many cards are they share altogether? They share 840 cards altogether. Question number 12. In a shop, there was total 93 bicycle and tricycle. Each bicycle had 2 wheels and each tricycle had 3 wheels. Tri means 3 and bi means 2. There were total 211 wheels. How many bicycles were there in the shop? From this 93, we have to find out the number of bicycle. Bicycle and tricycle total 93. Then we have 93 multiplied by 2, because bicycles having 2 wheels. 186. So the total number of wheel is 211. From these 211, we subtract 186, the number of bicycle. So here we have 25 wheels. So total 25 wheels, number of bicycle 93 minus 25 is 68. So there were 68 bicycles in the shop. Now here we have page number 40, mind workout. You just have to add addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in the given space. The answer is already here. Here we have another word problem. A teacher gave each of 30 people some chocolate, total 30. 5 of the people decide to give their share of the chocolate to the rest of the people. So 30 minus 5 is 25. In the end, the other people got 1 more chocolate. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. How many chocolates did each each of her people receive first? So they receive 5 chocolates first, then they receive maybe 6 because they donate 1 chocolate. Review. Here you have to add the 0 and here you have to solve. Like 6,000 means 6 and 1,000. 300 means 3 and 100. 4,000 means 4 and 1,000. Same as it is here, you have to solve according to the 4 operation, in which we have number 1 bracket, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Question number 3. Bala bought a camera for $540 and a printer $235. He gave the cashier a $1,000 note. How much change did he get? So we have to add both the numbers and then subtract the number from 1,000. A hiker bought a rope measuring 240 centimeter and cut it into 3 equal pieces. 240 divided by 30 equal pieces. So we have one piece of 68 centimeter. Now he used 10 pieces. It means 68 multiplied by 10, 680 centimeter. Find the length of rope he had left. So from 240 minus 680, we have 1360. Page number 43. Siti and Zinni had the same numbers of stickers. So Siti and Zinni had same numbers. After Siti gave 55 stickers and Zinni threw away 15 stickers, Zinni had 3 times as many stickers as Siti. How many stickers did Zinni had in the end? So first they have same stickers. It means we have 2 units. So 55 minus 15. 55 minus 15 is 40. 40, and they have the same unit. So when we divide 40 with 2, we get the answer 20. It means Siti had 20, Zinni had 20. But according to the question, Zinni had 3 times as many stickers as Siti. So it means we have to multiply this 20 with 3. So 20 multiplied by 3 is 60. 3 times more, so we have 60 cards. It means that Zinni has 60 cards in the end. Number 6 is, during a school event, there were 8 times as many people as teacher and there were 3 times as many boys as girls. So we have adult, a complete number of adult, and we have 3 times as many boys, 8 times as many people. 8 times as many people mean boys and girls. So we divide this 8 times into 4 girls and 4 boys. 4 girls and 4 boys and 1 unit for the adult. So we have total 5 units because we have 3 times as many boys. So we have to subtract these 3 from 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 unit means 70. There were 70 fewer teachers than boys. 5 unit is 70. So let's find out the value of one single unit. We divide 70 with 5. So the value of 1 unit is 14. So it means the value of 1 unit is 14. And now we have the total unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are going to multiply this 14 with 9. 14 9s are 126. It means that how many people were there at the school event? There were 126 students in the school event. Question number 7, last question of the chapter. Miling is thinking of 3 numbers. So we make 3 units. The sum of first 2 numbers is, first 2 numbers sum means when we add the numbers we get 738. The second number is 42 more than the third number. And the third number is twice the first number. We have to find the difference between the number. So first thing is we have total 3 units. 738 minus 42. Second number is more. So the answer is 696. 696 equally divided into 3 units. When we divide 696 into 3 units, we get 232 is the answer. So 232 232 and 232. But we have 42 more in the second number. So 232 plus 42 is 274. 274 is the difference between the second number and the first number. And if we see that the third number is twice the first number, so we are going to multiply 232 with 2, because the first number is 232, so we multiply the first number with 2. Twice means 2, so third number is 464. But here they were only asking about the difference between first and second, so the difference is 274 and each number is of 232.